Of Octane, and in this video I want to give you a run through and a demo of exactly what Octane does. Now this is my own product that I made with the intention of helping as many people as I could to take advantage of video marketing without having to put their face on camera, because I know how embarrassing that can be sometimes, and I was exactly the same when I first started out. Now, I also understand how to rank videos on YouTube, how to get my videos to the top of YouTube. So I wanted to include this function into Octane as well, so that everybody can benefit from this, especially people who are just getting started and want a really quick way to make some money online. So this is the training area right here, and this is what you'll see when you first get into Octane. Okay, so I have the overview video. I show you how to use the software, and you can access the software through these buttons here. And then I have these 3 profit strategies here. Now each one of these videos is around 15 to 20 minutes long. So I have 3 profit strategies: the easy method, the medium method, and the advanced method. The easy method is going to show you how you can use Octane to make money from ClickBank. Now this is easy because unlike JVZoo and Warrior Plus and other offers, ClickBank, you don't need to apply for your affiliate link, okay? You just have your affiliate link there straight away, so you can start making money. You don't need to be approved. So this is the easy method. I walk you through step by step in this video how to use this with ClickBank. In this second video here, I show you how to make some easy money from Amazon affiliates. Again, you don't need any kind of approval process, which makes these methods very, very easy. Now, I actually made a case study showing some results that I got from my ClickBank account using this first easy method, and I'm going to link those 2 case studies in the description of this video, so you can go and check those out. Okay, I actually made $200 within 24 hours using this method, so it's pretty cool. Method number 2, I'm going to show you how you can use Octane to make some money from JVZoo and Warrior Plus launches using launch jacking. And method number 3, I'm going to show you how you can make money building up an email list, which is what I primarily like to do. And this is a bit more advanced. Now, Octane works, okay, you'll be able to access the software here and you'll be able to log in. Octane works by taking a video from any platform. It doesn't have to be YouTube. But as long as you have permission to use that video, then you can use this with Octane. Okay, it works by taking that video, all right, adding a couple of seconds to it via an outro. Okay, so I can show you here. So first of all, you choose a video either from YouTube or from our library of pre-made videos, or a video which is from your desktop. I'm just going to go with YouTube. You can enter in a URL. Now make sure that you have permission to use the video that you're going to be entering as a URL. Otherwise, you can search via keywords. So when you search via keyword, this is going to, all of the results that it brings up in this in this results panel here, these are all videos that are using Creative Commons inside of YouTube. So it filters through all these results and it uses only Creative Commons videos. Why? Because everybody who's uploaded these videos under the Creative Commons category is giving you permission to do whatever you want with their videos. So you can edit these videos, you can cut them up, you can do whatever you like with these videos. You can't do this with regular YouTube videos, okay? Because you don't have the permission to do that. These guys are giving you permission to edit their videos and use their videos however you like. So it searches using Creative Commons. Once you've found a video that you want to use, you just click on choose, okay, and then you can go on to edit the video using the video editor here. Okay, so once it's loaded up,
what's going on, guys? And today
you can go and choose a section of this video that you want to use, because a lot of these YouTube videos, the original creator will add their introduction onto the beginning. Okay, so you might want to select after the introduction, so here at 18 seconds, and then again at the end they usually add their own calls to actions at the end of their videos. So you can choose just before the call to action happens, you can select that time there, and then you can choose to trim the video. Now this is going to trim the video down to that section that you want, okay? And once the video is finished trimming, you'll then be able to edit the outro. So you will be able to add a couple of seconds to the end of this video to make it completely unique. To make it completely unique, you can choose the amount of seconds that you want to add to the end here. You can choose a call to action layover for that outro section, so click the link in the description, or you can add your own images if you want. You can choose background music that you want to put in here as well, and then you just click on next, and it will go and it will merge this outro section into your video. Now, here's where the interesting part happens. Once your video is ready and it's exported and it's rendered, you can go and share this video. So you click on the share button here. You click on the share button here, and you'll be able to share it on either YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, or Pinterest. So these are kind of an additional bonus to be able to share these to your social sites. But what we're interested in here is YouTube, and specifically being able to upload this live to YouTube, because I find, and all of my YouTube buddies find, that if you live stream something to YouTube, your rankings are given all of this octane, all of this juice, and it sends it right to the top of YouTube. And this is the most powerful feature that we have inside